Let's solve this Olympiad math question together. And the question says here 10 to the power of x minus 9 to the power of x is equal to 19. So we are asked to find the value of x. Now there is something I want to introduce in this video that will help us to ease the solution to this. Watch this out. Now the question says 10 to the power of x minus 9 to the power of x is equal to 19. I am free to raise this to the power of 1 because even though I raise this to the power of 1, nothing will change. Okay, so I can raise this to the power of 1. So this becomes 10 to the power of x all to the power of 1 minus 9 to the power of x all to the power of 1 is equal to 19. Now, I can equally express 1 as 2 over 2 because 2 divided by 2 is still 1. So I can now express this one as 10 to the power of x all to the power of 2 over 2 minus 9 to the power of x all to the power of 2 over 2 is equal to 19. Now, I want to bring out, I can bring out 1 over 2 here and multiply by x, right? I can bring out 1 over 2 and multiply by x. So this becomes 10 to the power of x. If you multiply x by 1 over 2, you're going to have x over 2 all to the power of 2. Right? Because 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 is 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. The same thing here applicable to here. So this is 9 to the power of x over 2 all to the power of 2 is equal to 19. Now watch this out. If you have a squared minus b squared, this can be expressed, this is the difference of two squares, and it can be expressed as a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this is expressed in the difference of two squares. So I can equally express this as 10 to the power of x over 2 plus 9 to the power of x over 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of x over 2 minus 9 to the power of x over 2. This is equal to 19 can be expressed as 19 times 1 because nothing changed. 19 times 1 is still 19. So now what we are going to do next is that let's equate this to 19 and equate the one of these to 1 so that we can have equation 1 and equation 2 and we can solve it simultaneously. So now this becomes 10 to the power of x over 2 plus 9 to the power of x over 2 is equal to 19, right? And we have 10 to the power of x over 2 minus 9 to the power of x over 2 is equal to 1, right? Now you can call this equation 1 and call this equation 2 so that we can solve this simultaneously. Just add equation 1 to equation 2. Now if you do that, 10 to the power of x over 2 plus 10 to the power of x over 2 becomes 2 times of what? 10 to the power of x over 2 is equal to, now no, this is plus, all right, this will cancel out this, okay, so that one has gone. So 19 plus 1 will give you 20, so this is equal to what? 20, right? Now this is 2, divide both sides by 2 and divide here by 2. This cancel out. 10 to the power of x over 2 is equal to 10 divided 2 will give you 20 divided 2 will give you 10. You can call this a power of 1 because from the one of the property of indices that says that when you have the same base, you can equally express the powers to be the same. So I can equally say that x over 2 will be equal to 1. Cross multiply to find the value of x. X times 1 is x, 2 times 1 is 2. So the value of x that can satisfy this equation is 2. Like, share, comment, follow, and subscribe for more.